Hello, my name is Finn Boromani of Prime Option. We have been the Ersa distributor in Ireland for over 13 years, distributing both the machines, tools and rework systems. At this stage I think we have at least one of each system installed in the country. The main reason for us selecting Ersa was because they had a full portfolio of soldering equipment, and Ersa are still adding to this. We can now supply a complete line solution from manual or automatic assembly to full inspection, pre and post soldering to ensure the highest quality end product. Everything can be fully integrated. This is fantastic for the customer. They have one point of contact, and the Ersa staff and distributors are completely knowledgeable about the systems. I wish Ersa continued success in the future and look forward to our journey together. Gunnar Rian Borling, August Ersa Abu.